Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Versatile.
Today we are going to discuss what are the different types of school boards in India. Now every parent has a question in which type of board we must send our children so that he get a quality education. So in India there are basically four boards. One is state board which is run by that particular state. Like for 35 different states they are having different state board, then CBSE, then CISC and then IB. Now we are going to see the individual boards, how many schools are registered under that particular boards in India, and what is their advantage disadvantages. So first one is secondary school certificate, that is state board. Now as far as Maharashtra is concerned, it has a state board which is called as Maharashtra School Maharashtra Secondary and Higher Secondary Education Board. So it is basically called as an SSC board. It gives education in Marathi as well as in English medium, and in Maharashtra it has more than 10,000 schools as far as 2020 is concerned. Then comes next board, that is Central Board of Secondary Education. Its board is situated in Delhi, and it is a central government board is there. It has basically two types of school. One is Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, which is a residential school only, and it gives education from 6th standard onwards only. And second type of school is Kendriya Vidyalaya. Kendriya Vidyalaya gives education from 1st to 12th standard, and if you have seen, it is situated mostly where there is army area or any central government run public sector undertaking is there. This Kendriya Vidyalaya is situated there, but any common person can take admission in Kendriya Vidyalaya. But Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya takes an entrance examination for taking an admission in it. As far as today's time is concerned, it has more than 21,000 schools currently in India, which runs by Central Board of Secondary Education. Then comes next, that is Council for Indian School Certificate Examination, that is CISC. This is the board name and situated in Delhi, but it is a private board. It is not run by any particular government. It is a privately run board whose headquarters is in New Delhi. It has till now currently it has 2,247 schools registered in India. It gives two examination, that is ICSE and ISC. Many people call that board as ICSE, but ICSE is not the board. ICSE is the certificate given by that CISC board, that is for 12th standard, and ISC is for 10th standard. ISC stands for Indian School Certificate, and ICSE stands for Indian Certificate for Secondary Education. So this is the basic difference between the ICSE and ISC. Are the certificate. These are the not boards. The board name is CISC. Then the new board that has invented in India a few years ago, that is International Baccalaureates. This is the logo of International Baccalaureates, and it has basically syllabus is structured for giving an international orientation and international exposure to the students. So many celebrities, many politicians send their children to international baccalaureates or IB boards. And in India, currently there are more than 2,247 schools are there. And if you are to give the example, the Dhirubhai Ambani International School, which is located in Mumbai, is the best IB school in India currently. So the Bachchan family or Shah Rukh Khan family, they send their childs to this Dhirubhai Ambani International School, which gives an IB board syllabus. This is also a privately run board is there. So as far as these different types of board is concerned, the question must arise which board is better. But as far as the requirement is concerned, if you want to send your child for an international exposure, or if you want to give him international exposure, you must send that child into IB school, because they gives the education which are focused on international exposures. They teach many international languages in that particular syllabus. But if you consider CISC and CBSE, the syllabus for that boards are nearly equivalent. So it doesn't matter whether you are sending into CISC or CBSE. Only difference is that CISC has a little bit more depth in the concept, but as far as syllabus is concerned, it is nearly equivalent. And the fourth board, that is the state board, and as far as Maharashtra is concerned, it is a SSC board, and it focuses mainly uh, for our state, as it gives education in Marathi and English. The syllabus is for history, geography, and political science is big, focused mainly on the Maharashtra region. But if you consider a new education policy which will be implemented in 2 or 3 years, it is clearly mentioned in the new education policy that all boards will have a common syllabus for science, mathematics, and English. But rest of the subject will have a 60% common syllabus as per decided by central government, and 40% will be liberty for that particular state to have a syllabus. So it will doesn't matter whether you are sending the school your child into IB, CISC, or CBSE, or state board, because the basic three subjects will have a common syllabus. But when that will be implemented, that is the point of discussion. So till now, thank you very much for watching this video.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you very much.